My name's Richard Bainbridge and I'm chef owner of Restaurant Benedict's in Norwich, and today we're going to be doing a set egg custard with some smoked cod roe and some Chiu Chow chili oil. So the first thing we need to do is get this set egg custard on, and it's super simple, and this is why you need the best ingredients you can. So we've got some amazing eggs, we've got some vegetable stock, and then we've got Kum Kee's premium dark soy sauce to give it a real punch. So first of all, you're just going to pop in your 4 eggs. Then all we need to do, slowly break our eggs up before adding our vegetable stock. And then we've got our vegetable stock, which we've just allowed to cool slightly. We'll slowly whisk it. You don't want to whisk too much because you don't want loads and loads of bubbles going through it. We're going to pop in a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of our premium dark soy sauce. This really helps for a depth of flavour, but also really rich dark colour. Gently beat together. Now that's all well combined, we're just going to leave it to rest for 20 minutes before popping it in the oven. So our custard's now been resting for the last 20 minutes, and to get ready to cook, you need to preheat your oven to 165, get yourself an oven-proof dish, fill it with boiling water and have a cloth just sitting in the bottom. That's going to help a non-direct heat between your cooking dish and the actual boiling water in the tray itself. So all we need to do then is pour it into the bowl as much as you really like, but I like the equivalent to about 4 to 6 tablespoons is a good amount. And we'll pick it up and place it into our bain-marie. You want your water to be about 1/4 of the way up, not too much higher because it'll just overcook. So we're now going to pop it in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes. And what we're looking for that perfect cooking consistency is a jelly-like wobble on top. Whilst your custard is cooking in the oven, we're going to get on to making the maple syrup cream. So cream goes in the bowl, about 150 grams, not too much, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. But what we want now is a light whip. We'll just start to whip together until you're just starting to hold itself. The cream's now just got that dropping consistency. And that's exactly what we're looking for. So I'm just going to pop a good pinch of sea salt and some crushed black pepper. And then we'll just pop that into a piping bag. So we'll just pop that in the fridge now until we're ready to dress our dish in a couple of minutes. So that's now been in there about 12 minutes. So it's got a real nice kind of set jelly wobble on top. So the most important thing now is letting it cool down to room temperature. Because if you try to do it too warm, your cream will melt everywhere on the dish. So leave it out for at least half an hour before serving. And now it's time to dress. So let's get going. So we've now got our seasoned maple syrup whipped cream. So we'll just pop a little bit on the plate. Then we've got our cod roe. So just slice that nice and thin. Just take some of these and just lace it over our cream. Now we're going to go with some leaves. So I've got some oyster leaves, some nasturtium leaves for some peppery kick, some red vein sorrel for a little bit of acidity. Just to finish it off, we're going to get the party started with our Chiu Chow chili oil. And this, you want to get the bits, all the flavour that sits at the bottom and that oil on top. So there you have it, a set egg custard with some smoked cod roe and some Chiu Chow chili oil. A mind-blowing starter for any dinner party.